everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Okay, let us start our class. Our chapter name is Chidakiful. So we are going to part 3. So we have completed our part 1 and part 2. I hope you have read the textbook very well. So we are going to part 3. इधर दरोगा जी का दल पूछताछ करने मनोहर के गांव आ गया. Here you can see Daroga's group. Daroga is an police inspector. Have came to Manohar's village to inquiry about him. पूछताछ means inquiry. गांव village. तब मालूम हुआ कि मनोहर कांग्रेस के काम में गिरफ्तार हो गया है. That time they came to know that Manohar was arrested. He was working in the Congress. That's why he was arrested. 6 महीने की सजा और 50 रुपए जुर्माना हुआ है. And he was jailed for 6 months and 50 rupees fine. दरोगा जी जुर्माना वसूल करने आए हैं. वसूल करना means they came to take fine. So Daroga police group have came here to take fine from his parents. माता पिता दिन रात सोचते रहे मनोहर जेल में है. And what about his father? His father and mother was thinking that Manohar is in jail. न जाने उसे कैसे रखा जाता होगा. Now they are worried how Manohar is in jail. How they kept Manohar in the jail. मनोहर पटना कैंप जेल में है. नाउ मनोहर इज इन पटना कैंप जेल. भला ये जेल है या मेला. नाउ इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट द जेल. सो दे सेइंग whether it is the jail or it is a carnival. Na jailer means the officer of jail, means head of the police. Na पहरेदार, no watchman. बस खुला खेत. You can see open field. The jail is full of open field. और कांटों के तार. कांटों means stone and tar means wire, current wire. So you can see that the jail is surrounded with current. कहीं सभा होती तो कहीं कवि सम्मेलन. In the jail, one side you can see meeting and in another side you can see kavi sammelan means the poet together are doing चर्चा of the freedom. रविवार के दिन जब मुलाकात आते तो खूब शोर मचता. Sunday is the time to meet their family. At that time it was very crowd and sound. शोराकुल means noise. यहाँ आकर मनोहर ने पढ़ना लिखना और दुनिया समझना शुरू किया. In the jail, Manohar started to study and came to know what is happening in the world. इसी बीच एक रविवार को उसके पिता बैठ करने आए. In between one Sunday, his father came to meet him. मनोहर का दिल उनकी हालत देखकर कांप उठा. When Manohar see their condition, he became shivering. वे हड्डियों का ढांचा हो गए थे. And they were become a skeleton. मनोहर ने आश्वासन दिया. मनोहर convinced them. यहाँ कोई तकलीफ नहीं. Here all is perfect. It's okay. I don't have any problem. तकलीफ problem. बस गोली पैर में लगी थी. Just only the bullet had hit on my leg. अब तो 4 महीने बाद घर आकर माँ के पैर छूऊंगा. Now after 4 months I will return home and I will take the blessings of my mother. कैंप जेल खुला तो था पर था बीमारियों का घर. Camp jail was open. It is fully open place. But there was lot of disease. बीमारी means disease. एक ऐसा समय भी आया. One day it came like this. जब वहाँ की कुल आबादी 1/4 रह गई. Now in the jail population has decreased. एक चौथाई means 1/4. It has decreased to 1/4. जेल में डॉक्टर भी थे, दवाई भी थी. In the jail there was doctor also and medicine also. नया जेलर भला आदमी था. A new jailer was a nice person. वह सबके लिए दूध फल का प्रबंध किया. He arranged the milk and fruits to everyone. मनोहर भी बीमार पड़ा. मनोहर also felt ill. बुखार और दस्त हुए. He was fever and दस्त means diarrhea. बीमारी बढ़ती ही गई and his illness start increasing. खून के दस्त और तेज बुखार. खून का दस्त means he was starting to omit blood and high fever. तेज बुखार means high fever. वह प्रायः चैतन्य शून्य हो जाता और बड़बड़ाने लगता. माँ बापूजी, क्या मैं स्वराज नहीं देख सकूँगा? Day by day his condition was bad and now he started to grumbling. Barbadana means grumbling. What was he grumbling? That he was grumbling that mother and father, whether I will see the freedom or not. एक रात मनोहर की तबीयत काफ़ी बिगड़ गई. One day मनोहर's health was totally disorder. साथियों ने डॉक्टर को बुलाया पर तब तक मनोहर ने प्राण त्याग दिया. The friends called the doctor. Before that, Manohar had left his life. He had died. लोगों ने देखा उस वार्ड से एक लाश निकाली जा रही है. People saw that an lash means dead body was taken out from the ward. इस तरह कैंप जेल से लाशों का निकलना कोई नई बात नहीं थी. Like this, many dead bodies came out from the camp jail. It was not a new matter. शुरू में जब कुछ लोग मरे तो बंदियों ने फूल चढ़ाए. In starting, when people were dying, that time the prisoners, बंदियों means prisoner, had put flower on them. लेकिन जब रोज लाशों निकलने लगी तो श्रद्धांजलि की प्रार्थना जारी ना रह पाई. The dead body was taken every day. It happened every day. So the others can't pray for them. They can't give श्रद्धांजलि for them. मनोहर के साथियों ने आंसू बहाए. मनोहर's friend started to cry. मनोहर की लाश ले जाने कोई अपना ना आ पाया. And no one came to take मनोहर's dead body. जेल वालों ने देह कर्म किया. And those who were in the jail, they done his funeral function. जिसके गले में कभी फूलों की माला ना पड़ी थी, उसकी चिता के फूलों को गंगा ने अपनी गोद में समेट लिया. Who never wear the garland in his neck. फूलों की माला means flowers garland in his neck. Now his chida means ash of his dead body. Now the ash of his dead body is according to the flower and the Ganga ने अपने गोद में समेट लिया. Now his ash was poured in the Ganga river. So the Ganga river collected the Manohar's ash in his lap. God means lap. So I hope you understood the chapter. Read the chapter very well, and if you have any doubt you can ask. So thank you dear.